Welcome to Keeping in Sync with Microsoft 365 for the week of the 28th of November. And with Christmas descending upon us, it's time for Hans Gruber to emerge and be as frustrated as him when you realize that some of the dates may change or some of these features may not be available to you as they may be turned on. But just remember him early in the movie when he's all cool, calm and collected, and be like that. Now just a reminder, Office is becoming Microsoft 365 apps, and you're starting to see the logo change and the branding change. So that is actually currently rolling out and will continue to do so for the next probably 30 years based on how long it took us to get to this point and how many places Microsoft's going to have to change that logo and name. So fun times. Now starting off with Loop, which is a feature some of you may not know, but has actually been around for a while and continues to grow, and allows you to have these effectively interactive components that can move between apps. So the ability to copy and paste live Loop components from other Microsoft 365 apps, such as Teams, is coming soon to Whiteboard for the web, the app in Teams, and also Whiteboard for Windows. This is actually rolling out early to late December and will allow you to then effectively take that content from that Teams chat into the whiteboard and continue working on it. Now, Microsoft is also rolling out a OneNote viewer feature within the Teams mobile app, which will allow you to view OneNote notebooks directly within the Teams mobile app. However, at the moment, it is just read only. And if you want to edit the notebook that you have opened, then you'll be prompted to open the standalone app on your mobile device. This is rolling out early December through to late January 2023. Now, from the Power BI side of things, for people that haven't used Power BI before, now to date, they've been greeted with a getting started view, which would show them information that they could utilize to get started, such as tips and tricks, how to get data, how to create and utilize reports, dashboards, and those kind of things. For some reason, that is going away. The content itself, however, is not. You'll still be able to access the content through the Power BI help site and other locations, and some of it will actually show up through the recommended carousel, as in recommended, that you might be seeing if you've already gone into Power BI before. But yeah, so if you're new to Power BI and you've never gone in, good luck. This is going away mid-December. Also, another thing that's going away in Power BI is the Get Data page in Power BI on the web, as well as the ability to connect to files from personal OneDrive accounts, such as your Outlook.com or your Hotmail or Live, for those few people that have that. So going forward, you'll be able to utilize the new streamlined upload experience, and Microsoft is going to be recommending that you connect to files from OneDrive for Business or SharePoint when you're actually uploading local files. So put them there, then access them. So yeah, versus just going into a workspace and being able to then upload it from there. Now, this particular change is rolling out or going away on December the 8th this year. Very specific. And that's it for Keeping in Sync with Microsoft 365 for this week.